I know, Jocelyn, just from living there, when we get stormy weather by the coast, you can really feel it with all the wind, and also when you're definitely kind of commuting along Highway 1. And then they had the earthquake this morning as well, so that was a little tough.
Yeah, Gianna, residents in Pacifica really dealing with quite a bit this morning. The rain has started to come down. The wind has really picked up. Now, we're at a shopping center here where we've been able to talk to a few people already who told us, yeah, they definitely did feel that earthquake, and it very much felt like a jolt here. Now, we're about 7 minutes away from where the U.S. Geological Survey says that initial jolt happened. Now, it's already been about an hour and a half since that happened. But two aftershocks followed, each at magnitude 2.6 just minutes later. This is how it appeared on our KPIX seismograph. If we take a look here, and already more than 2,000 people have reported to USGS saying that they did indeed feel it, and it was felt pretty widespread around the Bay Area as far as south as Santa Cruz. We also did get word earlier that BART trains were holding their positions. We also got word that that was lifted, and we are seeing reaction already on social media. Most clearly not ready to be waken up by the quake, one user said. Thankfully, no reports of injuries or damage right now. We have reached out to USGS for more information. Of course, we're going to keep you updated on that throughout the morning. I mentioned we did talk to a couple of people. One person did tell us, that this was a reminder that they need to be more prepared, but it definitely woke them up this morning. Take a listen.
I felt a jolt, shaking, rattling, and the house shaking. So it was a natural alarm clock for me. Sometimes I sleep through them, and I was here for the 89 one, so it just brought me back to a bigger one. But I also know that we need one, we are anticipating a big one. So my first thought is this the big one?
Yeah, definitely scary for a lot of people waking up this morning, but also a good reminder to have your kit ready. They were telling us they are teachers, so they're prepared at school, but it was a good reminder to also be prepared at home. We mentioned the wind. We're talking about a couple of stories here as far as what people in Pacifica are feeling and experiencing, but you can see here in this parking lot, I don't know if you can tell, but just how the wind is moving, just the water really on the pavement here, but we're dealing with, I'd say, moderate rain right now. It's picked up a little bit in the last few minutes, but the winds is really what has picked up here. At times, it can be actually hard to keep your position on the ground here. So definitely be careful out there as you stop by. If you're getting your morning coffee, like we are getting, or are seeing quite a few people. This is what I mean when it picks up. At times, it'll slow down. Shannon, you're okay. We just want to make sure we're also keeping our positions because our photojournalist Shannon is also holding the camera, so it can be tough at times to really just stand. So again, be extra careful out there. You may feel it on the roadways too when you are driving in your car. So Gianna, just again, you're dealing with the wind, dealing with the rain as well, but also a scary morning for a lot of people with that earthquake.
Yeah, and Jocelyn, in just about 30 minutes, our schools get up and going for a lot of the elementary schools. You spoke to a teacher this morning, the Kiyomi, just a minute ago, and it's interesting because right there in that area, right around this time, it would be packed on a regular day, but because of the weather, are you seeing just maybe less people out there?
Yeah. We are. I mean, I don't know this area as well, but I have seen not that many people for this hour, especially going and getting their coffee maybe before they head to work. It is a little bit emptier as far as this lot, and understandably so. It is scary just driving out on the roadways right now, Gianna.
Yeah, hopefully.